Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys my cocoa bar. For my kids, I have been doing cocoa bars for years and they love it. I just wanted to share with you some tips and tricks that I use on my cocoa bar to keep it clean and functional and kid friendly. First, I'm going to start with my mugs. The mugs on top are reindeer mugs that I purchased a while ago, and they still have them available at Michael's. The mugs up below are Dunn mugs. What I've learned in the past is that my kids prefer the Dunn mugs or some clear mugs that I have in my cabinet. The reindeer mugs are so small that they're good for little kids. However, my big kids don't want to use the smaller mugs. Next, I want to share with you my cellars. At the very top, I have a sugar cellar and a cocoa canister. Currently, my cocoa canister is empty, but my sugar cellar is filled with cookie straws from Starbucks. And I also have a little Christmas tree that is an ornament that I got from Walmart. My second shelf, I have cellars that says peppermint, and I only have the peppermint stick, which the kids can easily access, and they're individually wrapped. So you don't have to worry about no mess with those. Because when peppermint is out, it tends to stick together and it becomes a mess. So if you're using peppermint, if they're not individually wrapped, make sure you keep them in an airtight container. The next thing I like to do is the sprinkles, and I have them in this little container that I got from Ross. It came in a container of 3, and I only have one set of sprinkles to keep down the mess. The more sprinkles, the more mess. Also on that row, I have my spoons. I used to use wooden spoons, but they were a hassle to clean, so I started just using plain old plastic spoons that the kids can use, and they love it, just to stir their cocoa with. I also have plastic straws. These are washable straws. So we do wash our straws, and they're in this Stems container by Dunn. Another thing that I do is I use a small marshmallow container. That way, if the top is left undone and the kids can manage it, it keeps the marshmallows from getting hard or going bad. So if you have small kids, that's something you need to think about, is putting your marshmallows in a smaller container. It really helps. The next thing I want to show you are my candies. I use Hershey Kisses with marshmallow infused in them, and I think you can only get these during the holidays. See, there are those. And you can only get these during the holidays. And I have Rolos, which have caramel in them. As you can see, there is no top here. There is a reason for that. That is so my kids can reach in there really easily or pour them out in their hand and not have to worry about my tops getting lost or tops being misplaced. They're just simple and easy for them to get. Now that we have a Keurig, we all use K-Cups, and we all love K-Cups. So here are this is the Walmart brand K-Cups of milk chocolate that the kids can put in the Keurig and make their own hot chocolate. Now, mind you, my kids are teenagers, so they're able to do this. This container I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm not sure on the price of this because I got it last year. My hot cocoa and marshmallow sign I got from Hobby Lobby as well last year. So this is my cocoa bar. I hope this was helpful to somebody trying to create one. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and it doesn't have to be expensive to be beautiful. I love cocoa bars, especially ones that are functional, that you can use every day during the holidays. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Let me know if any of my tips were helpful or you learned something new. Leave in the comments below, or just say hi. Thank you, and thank you for watching.